look at that. It is so violet.
I can wait to taste.
Yeah,
Oh my God, guys.
Oh, I see some.
Hugdan po ta nagstorya ka.
I see.
Hello, what's up you guys? This is Lisette back with another video and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video is pupunta tayo ngayon kina Ate Elon. And yeah, sabi niya kasi magluluto tayo. So ayun, maybe for her vlog. So yeah, we will just wait. So, mainit talaga dito. That's why napayong talaga ako guys. And wala naman akong pera pampamasahe kaya lakaw ta. Pagpasta. Ilan. Nahalaan ko maistra. So ayun guys. Papunta na tayo ngayon kina Ate Elon. And it is so hot. So yes, I'm almost there. Kakayanin para sa kayan. So ang hot talaga guys, ang hot talaga. Sobrang hot, pero mas hot ko.
Wow! Sana all!
So, ayun na nga guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Purple House. So, this is the Purple House. Ang ganda dito. Purple House! Ang ganda talaga dito. Sige, let's lock the door first. Oh, look at that! It is so violet. I mean, purple. Wow! Oh. Mapa-mesa, mapa-upuan man yan. Yes, it is color purple. I mean, lavender ba to? Hindi ko alam. So, look at the ceiling. Mapa-ceiling. Oh my gosh. It is so beautiful dito, guys. And, yeah, I love the combination of the lavender, the violet. Look at the rug. It is also violet. And, some of the vases are also color blue. So, ang ganda talaga guys. And, natatak. Guys. So, look at the fridge. All of the shelves are, wow, it's so amazing guys. So ayun nga guys, sabi ni ate kasi, actually may pinuntahan lang saglit si Ate Elon, and yeah, maybe she bumili siya ng mga ingredients maybe. So yeah, we will just wait for her. Do subscribe to her channel guys, so I'll put the link on the description below. It is Elon Vlogs. So kakasimula pa lang kasi niyang mag-vlog. And yeah, ako magpupugpo. I'm so happy for your support, kayong lahat. Even though viewers lang mo, even though gamay pa ni, sige lang guys, magpadayon nagyapunta. Kadya! We will fight! Padayon ta. Until we reach that goal. Till we reach that goal. So yeah, thank you for all your support guys. So ayun na nga guys. So mag-vlog daw si Ate Elon. So bali, wow! So bali ako yung videographer niya. So do subscribe to her channel guys. I'll write the link below sa description box. Oh my God, nauutal ako.
Sige, go.
So, ayun guys. So, that is the behind the scene. The time-lapse lang ko. Tapos nagmi-mix na si ate.
Tikman ko nga.
Si patilawa daw ko, te. Kung lami. O, mas lami ko.
Go.
Yeah. Yumi. Lami siya.
Sure?
Oo. Pero mas lami ko.
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
Bad. Ayun na.
Later. Kain ka?
So, she's making a pancake for her vlog. So, ayun ha. I'll write the link on the description below. So, you should subscribe to her. So, ayun nga guys. Nandito kami sa kusina kasi baka makasala pa mi dadto mo na dani na lami. So, basing makasala mi dadto kay mamahalin talaga yung mga vases. And as you can see, si Violet pa rin yung kitchen nila. Hi, Tope! Hi, Cassy! Oh. Yeah, look at her dress, Violet did. So, this is the kitchen, guys. As you can see, from the plates to this one, to all the pans, to the baso, to the... wala na yung kutsara. Amin na pan. So, ayun, guys. Violet siya lahat. So, the floor, the tiles is blue, but I love the combination of the color. Char! Not the English na patate. So, she's making her vlog. Hi! So, this is her... Wow! I love the consistency natin. Can't wait to eat.
Can wait. It's so yummy.
It's so yummy. Look at the
It's so
cookies.
yummy, Cassie. You like pancake?
Do you like pancakes? Because it's so good. It is yummy. Oh. How about you, Tope? Good? So guys, manusbig tayo guys. So ayun, manusbig tayo sa... Ala.
The light.
Yeah, there's a light in here. And my
There's a
aghang...
fish and there's a fish.
What? Oh, that is a fish. Fish daw siya, fish. Oh, from the kanta, oh. Masa ganun siya tawag. Masa ganun, my God, nasa nahudan ako words. Oh, diba? From the... So, lahat guys, Violet siya lahat guys.
Ginagawa mo!
The color. See?
Color
Yeah. And the plates. Yes. And the cup. And also, the dustpan is also color lavender. Yeah, everything here is... There's a diamond there, pero di tamang hilabot. Kay basing makasala. So, tama na tatanaw.
It's a purple there.
Yeah, that's purple. That's a purple plate. Yeah.
Yan.
Yes.
Kapit na rin siya ng fine niya.
Hapit na doon na fine. So, magluto na si ate. Yeah. Back. Kasi magbablog na daw si ate. So, ako yung photographer. Yung videographer niya. Ang kukulit ng mga bata dito.
May alot.
Oh, look. Look at the chubby cheeks and then... Alala ko. The chubby cheeks. So, I'll be back.
Later?
Yeah, I'll be back later. Videographer niya ngayon, guys.
What's that? be a video with the channel, but then.
What?
I'll help you.
What do you see? You see something?
I saw flowers there.
You see flowers in there? Yeah.
Yes, it's pink.
Yeah, it's pink.
But green.
Green.
He wants to get green and black.
What did you say? What did you say?
Yeah.
Hi. Yeah, say hi to my vlog. In a hi vlog. Say hi vlog. So, ang kukulit ng mga bata dito, guys. Oh, gusto niya sa camera.
Hey guys, that's the butter.
Oh, you have found the butter.
Yes,
Yeah, that's butter. How did you know that's butter? Hindi ko alam yung butter.
Whoa.
What?
Oh gosh.
So, yeah, naprepare lang si ate, guys.
Wow.
So, behind the scene na siya. Behind the scene niya, galuto.
Kaloka.
I'm here to the chair.
Yeah.
Ano yung first time na vlog?
So, first time kasi niya mag-vlog, guys.
Ay, say pa dito.
Yung ano yung magugugo nag-vlog? Oh. Nahukda na po ko gusto niya. So, you should sit there, okay? Okay. Wait for Mommy Ilo to cook the pancake. Yeah. Okay. Oh my goodness.
Oh, I see.
Hukdan po ta, nag-story ako.
I see.
Wait, what do you see? What do you see?
What's that?
What? Where? This one? Ito, it's macaroni.
Oh,
My
wow.
face.
Your teeth.
My teeth.
Yes, my teeth too.
Your teeth too. Smile. Smile to the camera. Okay, mag-start na me.
Like that. What's that? Yes. Yummy.
So good. So good.
I want to try that. Man, I can try.
Hi.
Sa kalingkuan.
Wait
lang
Look
ako,
at that.
bubbles.
So mag-wait tayo, mag-bubbles.
Bubbles. Bubbles.
Bubbles.
Bubbles. Bubbles. Bubbles.
You're
You're there. Yeah, you're there.
I see something.
What did you see? Something. What is
I
it?
see this until the right.
Where? I can't see.
Saan kayo magtaas?
Can I see?
Laban sa na.
I see a toothpaste in there.
A toothpaste into the mirror. Yeah, you saw it.
I see and more.
Don't touch it.
I see the flower and so
Hindi ko hindi whatsoever. I'm so...
can on the
So this is the kitchen. Pero ang ganda niya, guys. Ang ganda ko dito. I love the lighting. Wow! Oh, ako na sa forest. Ay, namin ito sa forest.
Ganda ng forest.
Oh, not the forest. That is the forest. I love the color. That's it, guys. That is the dish.
I can wait to taste.
Yeah, you have to taste.
Masa na ate? Ayoko na ate. Kaya pa dito. Oh, sige na. Kaon na. Di ako na iban ko. Asan ito yung ko?
Yummy. Yeah, so yummy. So good.
Asan na itong spoon na? Kanina ang tanda.
The spoon. That's it, guys. Hindi, tope. That's it, guys. Ikaw kasi, di. That's it, guys. So, ayun na nga yeah guys, dun magtatapos yung video natin. But before we will end this video, shoutout muna sa mga nag-comment dun sa previous vlog ko, which is yung Stickman Party, offline edition, kasama yung cousin ko. So, shoutout to Shikaina May, to Rico, hi Ate Kim. Shoutout to you mga. Can't wait ka mag-collab na punta sunod. Yeah. Pag-vlog na lagi. Then, shout out to RV May Pasyente. So, hi sa iyo, RV May Pasyente. Shout out to you. So, thank you. So, actually guys, si RV, she saw my post, my day. Yung, pinost kasi, minaydi kasi ko yung vlog ko. May nag-message sa akin, Ate, kasi nga na sa mukhang YouTube channel ako. Hala, hi gang, ito, Lisette CM. Tingala ko guys, nganong wala na siya nag-message, wala na siya nag-reply sa ako, wala siya nag-seen sa ako, yung tao, to na din siya, nag-turn-out na siya, and then nag-comment siya, this one. So yeah, hi to you gang. Hopefully one day makita tayo. Yeah, hindi pa gani ko pinapalang gani ako subscribers, but yeah, thank you so much. Ginadyo ko yung makita nga support sa ako. So, thank you to you. So, also to Rishay Gonzaga. Hi, shout out to you. To Anita Rose. To Dindy Rodriguez. To Shiana Grace. Hi to you. To Rihanna Hope. Jenny Lynn May. Cassy Reyes. Hi to you, Tanga. Then, si Christoph Cruz. Hi to you guys. Shout out to you all. So, yeah. That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See ya on my next video.